Well, I'm surrounded by brilliant women, chief meteorologist here and doctor here. We're talking about a ladies' night out with Intermountain Health. They're combining fun with healthcare with some cool events coming up.
Yeah, we're here with Dr. Denitsa
Blagev.
Thank you. So she is a pulmonologist. You are with Intermountain Health, and she's their chief medical officer there. So at the Riverton location. So that's pretty impressive.
But you have some free ladies' night out events coming up where women can. Utah women aren't very good about checking up on themselves, are we?
Yeah, you know, women in general, we're so good at managing everyone else, and often we forget ourselves. But Intermountain Health, we're hosting a number of ladies' nights out. So starting at LDS Hospital next week, so Tuesday the 24th, and then Riverton that Thursday, and then in October at Intermountain Medical Center, Altaview Hospital, McCady, Sanpete, and Altaview. And really an opportunity to talk about women's health and all aspects of it.
So if somebody comes out to this, what exactly can they expect? What's going on there at the hospital?
So one of the things is fun. So prizes, foods, all kinds of things. Really an opportunity to meet some of the physicians and other healthcare providers at those events. And then really understanding better what kinds of services we offer. So some of the obvious things we think of as women's health might be obstetrics and gynecology or breast cancer care, but there's things that you might not consider. So heart disease is the #1 killer of women and men, and so thinking about cardiovascular health in women, sports medicine, you know, pediatric health, mental health, just a variety of things.
And heart attack symptoms are different for women than men, and it doesn't hurt for women to learn that that might be different, like heartburn.
Yes, that's
could
right.
be a symptom.
That's exactly right. And you know, like if I tell you that there's, you know, a 50-year-old man who comes to the emergency department with something in their chest, you're going to think heart attack, but you might not think that of a 50-year-old woman with heartburn. So that's exactly
right. And as women, we're so focused on everybody else in the family. I read a stat that we make 80% of the healthcare choices for our family, but then we're not taking care of ourselves. Why is that?
Yeah, that's right. You know, so I think it's really important to come to these and have an opportunity to reflect, you know, things like colon cancer screening or bone density screening, really important things for all of us.
And I think sometimes people are afraid of being screened because they're afraid they might get bad news. And this kind of takes the fear out of it, doesn't it?
Yes.
In a situation like this?
Yes, yeah, that's right. It's kind of incredible, actually. Yeah, we're sometimes scared to do something, or often it's like we think we're too busy to do the small thing. And then, you know, when it's a big thing, you can't be too busy for it. So really, this is an opportunity to have fun in your community, come out and meet kind of the people that provide healthcare and can be a resource.
We were seeing some video earlier of, I think, a past event. It looked like whole groups of friends come together. A lot of fun.
Yeah, you know, one of the things maybe we don't do as well as take care of ourselves. One of the things women do really well is build and find community. And so bring your friends, make a night out of it. It's fun, and it's a great opportunity to invest in our health.
And you can say, no, this is like a doctor's appointment. I have to go. And then you get to have fun.
Sorry, kids.
Sorry, kids. Here's dinner. I'm going to go to the local hospital for a medical thing. And then you get together with your girlfriends.
That's right. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that idea. I like it. Okay, so again, you've got multiple dates coming up. We're going to put these on our website. But you've got what? September 24th starts at LDS.
24th at LDS Hospital, the 26th at Riverton Hospital,
and
then
cheat sheet.
in October,
we're putting it up right there.
We're going to have them at all of these other hospitals.
Awesome. They go all the way down into central Utah. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Utah County may have things later on in the spring.
Awesome.
And health recipes, healthy food. I mean, you're talking about a lot of things. So this is really a fun night out where you can learn how to take better care of yourself.
Yes, that's exactly right. So yeah, nutrition,
everyone's
recipes,
invited. Everyone's invited except Ron.
Right, right.
I'm left out of this one, right? Well, have a good time. Girl power. That's what it's all about, right?